artist called Pure Evil. I'm doing a project with Wunderkammern gallery, and I'm doing a project of street printing, which is basically street art mixed with screen printing for a show I'm doing called Echoes. Echoes of the past, echoes of the future, echoes of all kinds of different things, pop art and futuristic art, spiritualism, metaphysicalism, all of this is combined in the show. It's a little bit of a retrospective, and it's a little bit looking forward to a new direction that I'm working on. With a small piece of apparatus, you can just get out there and screen print and do your thing. Keep it simple. It's like a DIY kind of thing. You pick up a box on eBay for 40 quid, you can take it out and do it. But screen printing is a large part of what I'm doing. It's basically the art of creating using serigraphy. I like the idea of being able to just go out, open up the box, do it. It's just as simple as pushing ink through a screen. In 1969, my father won a prize to study in Rome. He came to the British school. I came with him and my mum. We drove down from Wales. For me, it's an amazing opportunity to come back to Rome and actually bring my own artwork to Wunderkammern gallery. I feel like I've walked these steps before. I feel like I've been in these places before. I'm revisiting places that I've been to. It's a revisitation of a city that I love, and there are echoes of the past in the memories of the streets and the places that I've been to. When you do visit Rome, you see all these layers and layers and layers and layers of history. You walk into a square and there's something else. There's like a piece of sculpture that's been, dead and gone for 2,000 years. And those are the kind of layers that I find interesting. And also the layers of modernity, of posters and graphic design. Sort of layers of street art, layers of tags, layers of stencils, layers of just all of this creativity. So being an artist working in the 21st century, but revisiting a city that's got all these different centuries of art, I find really inspiring.